Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to my channel. Students, in this video article I am going to discuss about the regulation of gene expression through the example of lactoperon or lactoperon. I will discuss about the gene expression regulation that is important for the transport and metabolism of the lactose through the lactoperon process. Lactoperon is basically an a coordinated unit of genetic expression that is required for the regulation of the lactose metabolism in bacteria, for example in Escherichia coli. It is introduced by the Jacob and Monod in 1961. This lactoperon allows for effective digestion of lactose when glucose is not available through the activity of the beta galactosidase enzymes. As far as concerned with the gene regulation is basically a process of controlling which genes is in a cell's DNA are expressed or depressed. Lactoperon express genes only when the lactose is present, so to make the use of the lactose for cellular functions. Lactoperon is required for the transport and metabolism of the lactose. So, for the metabolism of the lactose, lactoperon should be understood to make the biochemistry of the lactoperon conceptual and more beneficial. Before taking a look to the repression and the depression of the lactoperon, let's highlight the structure of lactoperon. Lactoperon basically is a coordinated unit of the genetic expression that is required for the lactose metabolism. Lac- Lactoperon is composed of a regulatory gene I, promoter site or promoter gene P, operator gene O, and three structural genes Z, Y, and A. The regulatory gene is a basic gene. Promoter site is the site where the enzyme RNA polymerase can bind. It is the downstream of the promoter region. And the three structural genes are specialized for coding the enzymes beta galactosidase, galactoside permease, and galactoside acetylase. The regulatory gene is the upstream of the three structural genes. These genes transcribe into a single large messenger RNA with three independent translation units for the synthesis of the three distinct enzymes. This messenger RNA is called the polycistronic messenger RNA. The enzyme beta galactosidase hydrolyzes the lactose to the galactose and glucose. Galactoside permease is responsible for the transport of the lactose into the cell, and the LAC-A gene codes for the thiogalactoside which thiogalactoside transacetylase which acetylates the lactose. LAC-Z, LAC-Y, and the LAC-A genes are expressed only when the LAC-Z, LAC-Y, and LAC-A genes are expressed only when the O site is empty and the cap site is bound by a complex of the cyclic adenosine monophosphate, cyclic AMP, and the catabolite activator protein, that is the cap. Now the repression of the lactoperon. When the lactose is absent, the lactoperon is turned off. When the lactose is absent, only glucose is available. In this condition, the regulatory gene expressed at a constant rate, leading to the synthesis of the lac repressor. Lac repressor is basically a 4 subunits containing regulatory protein that specifically binds to the operator gene via helix turn helix motif. The binding of the repressor tetramer prevents the binding of the enzyme RNA polymerase to the promoter site that interferes with the progress of RNA polymerase and blocks the transcription of the structural genes. So no more the lactose metabolism enzymes are formed, and this is the regressor molecules act is a negative regulatory gene of the expression. So this is the repression of the lactoperon. The repression of the lactoperon. When the lactose is available, then the lactoperon is turned on. The lactose is converted to an isomer allolactose. This compound has affinity for the repressor molecules to bind. The lactose molecule, that is allolactose, binds to the repressor protein. It induces conformational changes in the repressor and it can no longer bind to the operator side of the lactoperon. The resulting is that the repressor gets inactivated. The adenyl cyclase is active and cyclic AMP are made that bind to the cap protein. The cyclic AMP and cap complex attaches to the cap site or the promoter site of the lactoperon and causes the RNA polymerase to proceed transcription, that is formation of the polycistronic messenger RNA. The polycistronic messenger RNA are formed. The translation of the messenger RNA produces the three enzymes that allow the lactose to be used for the energy production and the other cellular activities. Thus, the lactose induces the synthesis of the three enzymes beta galactosidase, galactoside permease, and galactoside acetylase. This is the example of positive regulation, and the lactose acts by inactivating the repressor molecules. Hence, it is called the de-repression of the lactoperon. In this way, the metabolism of the lactose is controlled by the lactoperon model. Thank you very much.